So greetings everyone, welcome to Nostech Academy, and in this video we're going to answer this 2022 paper 2 question 6a. This is calculus and integration. Okay, so this question is assigned 3 marks here. So without further ado, let's solve this question. Okay, so the first thing, so remember that this is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. Okay, so I'm going to find the difference in the upper limit and the lower limit. Okay, so this question, so we're going to say the integral of 4 -1 2 plus 2x plus 6x squared dx. Okay, since this is already in the correct standard, we're just going direct to solve. This is a constant number. To a constant number, when integrating, you add x. You add x. Why adding x? Is the same as x. 2 is the same as 2 times x to the power 0. Alright, then we add 1 to this one, so we add 1 to the power. Then we divide by the power 0 plus 1. You do the same here, it will be plus 2x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 6x to the power 2 plus 1 over the power 2 plus 1. Okay, plus c. Now, since these are definite integrals, c will cancel, but let me just add plus c so that you understand. Okay, we have the lower limit as -1, the upper limit as +4. So when you do your calculations here, it will be 0 plus 1, it will be just 1. Okay, divided by 1, it will be just 2x to the power 1, which is just invisible. Okay, then here it will be plus 2 to the 2x, 1 plus 1, 2 over 2, 1 plus 1, plus 6x to the power 2 plus 1, 3 over 3 plus c. Okay, when you do your calculations here, when you divide, it will be 2x, 2 into 2, 1, which is just x squared, 3 into 6, it's 2 times x to the power 3 plus c. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to find the difference in the upper limit and lower limit. So we start with the 4 upper limit minus the same function here, this function, which is 2x plus x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus c, then the lower the lower limit here, which is -1. Okay, then what you do here, it will be wherever there is x here, we're going to substitute with +4. So this one will be 2 times 4 plus 4 squared plus 2 times 4 to the power 3 plus c. Okay, now c and this, since there's minus, this c and this will cancel, so let's just forget about this c. Okay, minus this side 2. In the x, we're going to substitute -1 plus -1 squared plus 2 times -1 to the power 3. This and this already cancelled. Then we can further simplify. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 to the power 4 squared is 16. Then here you first find 4 to the power 3. Don't multiply here. So it will be 4 to the power 3, which means 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Then 64 times 2 is 128. 128 minus 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. Negative 1 to the power 3 is negative 1. By the way, negative 1 squared is positive 1. Negative 1 to the power 3 is negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, which is negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, like this. Okay, so when you add 16 plus 8 plus 128, so 8 plus 128 is 136. 136, then 136 plus 16. So when you do 136 plus 16, it will be 152. Okay, so 152 minus negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Okay, so you have 152 minus negative 3. So this will be just the positive, negative times negative positive, which is just 152 plus 3. And this is giving us 155 units squared, or square units. So this is the answer to this question here. Remember to subscribe and like the video. As we are recording this video, we have 920 subscribers.